Tonight we're going to hone the engine. So I bought this flex hone, and it's like this. It's a very nice box. I think I paid 50 bucks. So you put that in your screw. There's a rotation, and you keep putting inside out, and it'll be honed. So I set up some of my around the block. I put some plastic cover so I don't have like oil everywhere in my garage. So let's go there. Wow. Okay. Oh, that's great. That is great. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to just clean this so I don't have any stuff here that shouldn't. Yes, the cat is running around. Anything like this, and wow. So between, again, let's go again. Next one, 20 and 45 seconds. 1 stroke per second. 1 or 2 strokes per second, that's what it says. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna make this one and I'm gonna show you. Just to be sure that it has enough oil everywhere in my garage. Alright. Seconds. So let me show you. This is how it looks like, the one I've done, and that one is the one I just did. So everything is there. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful scratches, and looks good to me. And look at the other ones, they're very shiny. So the thing here, just so you understand what we are doing, the engine, I always thought that the engine would be shiny like this because the cylinder and the pistons and the rings would just slide easier, right? That's wrong, because if it's shiny, it means that oil doesn't stick in here. So next morning when you run the car, it's going to run this on the dry cylinder walls, and that's not good. So when it's like this, the oil gets stuck in here, right? And this enough oil that gets stuck in here is the oil that keeps everything lubricated next morning. So when the car is cold, right? And of course, not just when the car is cold, but when you're running the car and your rings go down, right? it pushes oil down. When it comes up, it needs to have some oil. So this is some oil. Okay, so let's go to cylinder number 3. I'm gonna do actually like this because, all right. There you go. So we have, I'm gonna throw this plastic away. It was less messy than I expected. Look at that. It's like heaven. So this is how you hone your engine. I'm gonna put the link of this flex hone and the cat. If you want that cat, I'm not gonna give you because I love it. But basically the one I use is this guy here. It's 320 grit, and of course you gotta get as close as the size as you have. So mine is 88 millimeters, and this was 88.9. But as you see, it moves. So this is going to turn into the shape of your cylinder anyway. There's the other one that are some plaques like this, plates, I don't know how you call it. It's like a antenna, satellite antenna, but it didn't quite match to me that thing would do a good job. So that's it. There's a fly on my ear. I hope you enjoy. If you need to do it in your engine, buy the good stuff because you don't want to do a bad job in there. And subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. And go to my website, www.carmodsgarage.com. You have the same videos you have on YouTube, but I also blog some and put some pictures in there. Alright? Thanks for watching.